Hey guys, it's me, Tired Mama, and today I want to give 5 pieces of advice to the moms who just involuntarily, or dads really, involuntarily got told you're now a homeschool mom. If you followed me for a while, you'll know that for 4 years we were very, very successful at homeschooling. We homeschooled our daughter from 3rd to 7th grade. In that time, she managed, that's 3 years, I think 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 5 years. She managed to complete 7 years of curriculum in those years. So for us, it worked really, really well. But there are 5 things that really help this process and will make your day so much better. Okay? So many people have the misconception that homeschooling is the easy thing to do. It's not. It's never the easy thing to do. It takes patience, determination, and guts. Alright, so here's the 5 things that you need to consider when you're talking about homeschooling or teleschooling, whatever your school is going to call it, okay? My former homeschooler walking around in the background. She's now back in public school. And so this will affect her too, but she kind of knows the process because we did this for so long. So number 1, set expectations. This is really a lot for your older students. They need to understand that you expect them to get this work done, that you expect them to complete these tasks. When you set the expectations in the beginning, it makes it easier as you go along. Once you start, it's really hard to change your expectations or what you expect as far as work out of your student if you aren't doing that from the beginning, okay? Number 2, a schedule. As much fun as it would be to stay up super late, get up, sleep until lunch every day, and then whenever you get time, do schooling, it is so much easier, not only on you, but on your student to keep a schedule. Our process was always bedtime, get up in the morning at a certain time, let's say 8 o'clock, we have breakfast, get dressed for the day. These things should still happen. It's not a good idea to spend 3 weeks in pajamas, okay? Get dressed, sit down and do our schoolwork. When schoolwork is complete, you're free to go for the day, unless they have chores or other tasks that you expect out of them. Keeping a schedule is so important to really all ages, okay? Number 3, outside sources. There are a ton of outside sources that can help you with educating your child at home. I've seen a lot of jokes talking about Common Core math and how the students struggle with it because the parents don't know how to do it and we're fixing to figure out how to carry the one. And that's all fine and well, but part of it is still that there's going to be things you don't understand. Okay? My daughter started doing algebra in 3rd grade and I was like, eh? So we had the ability to hire a tutor very early on, but that's not really an option right now. So there are outside sources like OutSchool. OutSchool is a great program where you can find classes on a lot of different topics. YouTube is obviously a great source. And then there are teachers who will do online YouTube videos on how to do some work. So don't be scared to look for these resources. Free time. Especially with your younger students, you still have to plan in recess or plan in playtime. That's still an important part of their learning process. And number 5, sleep. It is super important that students get enough sleep. We know that because we know when our kids are tired, they don't function right. Okay? When my daughter's tired, we get the glass-eyed look, right? She's not going to get anything accomplished then. Spend the time to make sure they go to bed at night, even though they don't have school the next day, and get up and start again the next morning. It will make your day easier, okay? The student will perform better, they will retain more information, and in general, everyone will be happier. So these are my 5 tips. I will be giving some more over the coming days. I know that a lot of parents have been kind of thrown into this and aren't exactly sure what to expect. So if you have questions, concerns, or things that you would like me to address, make sure that you leave them in a comment down below. And if nothing else, then I will see you next time. Bye!